Amy has a monthly net income of $3,708. Create a budget. There's her income. Create a budget to allocate Amy's income if her monthly expenses are as follows. So the first thing I'm looking to see is that our income is being talked about in terms of months, which it is, monthly net income. And net means that that's the amount that Amy gets after her taxes have already been taken out. And then make a budget for her monthly expenses that follow. So we're talking about months and months. That's really good. So what we want to do is add up all of the expenses that they're giving us for Amy. So I'll put those in on my calculator. So I have 600 plus 250 plus 150 plus 600 plus 210 equals $1,810. Since we know that her income is $3,708, we can take away these expenses that she knows about, and we get, oh, show you real quick on my calculator. Since the 1810 is sitting there on my calculator, then what I'm going to do is the 3708 minus, and then I'll do second and this negative sign, and that'll give me answer showing on my calculator. And what that means is that it's going to take the previous value that was found as an answer, and then I'll push equals, and I get $1,898. So then with $1,898, that's how much money she has left over. So if I make a budget for her, it might look like this. Amy, and her net income is $3,708, and her expenses are $1,810 according to the table, and then we get to allocate the other $1,898. Maybe she wants to put some money into an emergency fund, and her emergency fund, maybe we can decide what we want for an emergency fund. We'll say 500 for Amy, and then maybe she's got vacation plans, so we'll give her a vacation fund too. And for her vacation fund, maybe the rest of the money. And so if we take away $500 from here, that's fairly easy to do by hand. It's just going to be $1,398. So let's say Amy wants the rest for a big vacation to Europe. So we'll say $1,398 for her vacation fund. This is an example of how you would make a budget. Now remember, these last categories, it's your discretion as a spender how much you want to put into each category, but it's a good idea to put at least some into each category so that you have money saved up if you need it for big expenses that might just happen to come by.